Well, hello there. It's been a while since I've sewn clothing here on my channel, and in one of my previous videos I said that I'm going to sew a Mary Poppins inspired blouse before I start sewing the actual dress. And that's the blouse. I try to combine classic elements like this jabot and the back closure with some 2021 trends, and I really like the results. I like the 1970s vibe of it. I hope you like it too. Let me know in the comments below if you do, and if you want to support me, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And now let's start sewing this beauty. You need a basic pattern for this pattern development. I didn't explain it here because there are many tutorials out there, but let me know in the comments below if I should make a video about it. And now we will start with our back side. You need to add up 6 centimeters at the back side. And then you need to subtract 1 centimeter from the neckline at the back. At the front pattern, you also subtract 1 centimeter at the shoulder part and 3 centimeter at the neckline. And then you need to draw the collar. It's 6 centimeter in high and half your neckline in the width. And you can measure the neckline with a measuring tape on your existing pattern. And you have to cut this collar in the fold. Here comes the jabot. You just cover the shoulder line of the front piece and the neckline of the front piece, and draw a line with a curled ruler to the bottom side of the pattern. And then 2/3 get ruffled of this jabot. You open up the sleeve at the center line and you add 9 centimeters to it, and these 9 centimeters are getting ruffled. Do you also learn something from each project you sew? I do. And this time I learned that I don't like synthetic fibers. They're not breathable, they're hard to sew, and if you sit in them on the wrong material for a longer period of time, they go electrostatic, and I really don't like that. Nonetheless, I'm very happy with the result. I like the combination of modern and classic elements, and I hope you like it too. And if you would like to see similar projects in future, make sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. And for now, see you in my next project. Bye!